everybody, it's your girl AshaKosh back again with a new video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your girl is doing a maintenance vlog. I've never done one of these, but I always like do DIY home, you know, maintenance. Like I do my lashes, do my nails, and sometimes I do my hair. Y'all see me do my wigs, but I have braids, but I think I might take my braids down actually and do my natural hair. I don't know. I feel like it's time, but also I want to get another week in my hair because y'all know I'm a recent, I keep on telling y'all like y'all don't know, but y'all know I just had a baby, and it's just like having the thought of like if I take my braids out my hair, I'm gonna have to really do my hair every day. It's like, it's got me kind of, do I really want to? Might need to holla at Golden. I don't know. What y'all think? Should I get more braids? Should I wear my natural hair out because I haven't worn it out? Do you, if you're a mom and you have natural hair, is it easy to maintain your natural hair, like your curls with a baby? Like, let me know because I'm scared. Hey. I think you just missed your mommy. You're not gonna let mommy get to the nail salon, are you, huh? Say no, mommy. He shook his head no. Boy, I got to go get my toes done. Your hair is growing out so much. It's getting so thick and curly. Oh, I love you so much, man. Pablo's scratching me, y'all. It's like, I just want to go get my toes did. I just want to get my toes did. That's all I want. It's not really, but it's good just to throw on, I guess. I'm like trying to feel myself. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. That's why I'm doing a maintenance vlog, because I'm not looking like myself and not feeling like myself. So I got to. Mommy is a baddie, okay? If you didn't know, mommy is a baddie. She can't be going around looking this hurt for this long. She's just not going to feel right within. That's just on knowing herself, okay, baby? When you know yourself and you know what makes you feel good and what makes you, you know, feel like yourself, you do those things so that you can be right within, because if I'm not right within, I can't be right for you. And I gotta be right for you. Alrighty, I'm about to head to get my toes done. Daddy's gonna be with the baby. I'm about to... Daddy?
What you trying to do with it?
Boy, I'm not gonna play with you. But, you know, before I leave, you know, I gotta spray on my Dossier. Today's video is sponsored by Dossier. Thank you, Dossier. I love you guys. I'm about to be wearing my Fruity Brown Sugar. I love this scent. It smells so yummy. And I can't wait to...
Spray it on you right quick.
Oh, you know I am. And now that I'm finished with the nail salon, you know I had to do the other things in my list of maintenance, which is doing my underarms. I have not done my underarms in so long. It's kind of embarrassing, but you know, you live, you learn. You have a baby, you don't shave, period. No, just me. I thought so, but anyway, you guys, I was recording this video and I thought I was, you know, recording normal where you hear me, period, poo, but no, it wasn't recording in volume. I don't know how I be doing this. My computer, my camera is so messed up, y'all. It shoots good quality, but if you put it on the wrong setting, it won't like have a sign that you're on the wrong setting, and it'll shoot normally. And then you'll realize when you're in post and editing that it's not right, and you're going to have to just deal with it, because that's what I'm doing, because I can't reattach the, you know, hair on my freaking underarms. Ty is going to assist me with this wax because, you know, I'm scared. Like, this is my first time waxing myself at home in like years, bitch. Like, it's been a couple of years. And I got all this stuff on Amazon. I have a link to my Amazon storefront, you girls. I got you. Ty's talking to me like he's super excited. He's ready to rip this off my arms. And I'm like, yo, chill out. He's like practicing how he's going to rip it. Like, he has some secret animosity towards me. I can tell by the way he is excited about ripping the hair off my armpit. And, you know, I'm going to set it up for him. I'm not going to just let him do it and just wing it. I'm going to have to, you know, get it right, get it tight. Because, like I said, I've done this before, but it's been a long time. So I'm getting the white stuff on it. And I'm just like, babe, all you got to do is pull that bit. Pull it up. You hear me? Pull it up. You can't hear me, but that's what I said. I said, pull it up. He's like, yeah. He's making jokes, y'all. He's dancing. He's celebrating. He is actually excited to do this. I'm stressed, as you guys can tell. I'm really, really going through it in my mind. Like, am I really going to let him do this? Can I do this? I'm trying to practice on my damn self. Like, hey, let me try it. And you know what was killing me about this whole process? This man is in my ear playing, you guys. He's like practicing. I'm thinking he's about to do it. I'm bracing. He's not pulling. And I'm like, stop playing. Just do it. And y'all, he did it. Oh my gosh, I was scared just watching it. Okay, come on, babe. Do it. Do it for the people. Y'all, I just started laughing through the pain. Like, it hurt so bad. But, you know, I had to laugh it out because I'm not no bitch. I'm the head bitch. So I'm just going to laugh it off. And look how much he got off the first wrap. Like, I really waited all month to wax my armpits for this. Look, he did such a good job, right? Got all the pores. I was like, okay, babe, you might be a waxer for real, period. So it's the second go around, and you know, I already got the scene set up for my mans because the first time was so easy. I was like, yeah, babe, I'm gonna make sure it's ready for you. All you gotta do is pull up. He's like, pull up? I'm like, yes, pull up. I'm keeping myself hyped. And you know what he did? He pulls up and it was a clean cut away. So I just put on my aftercare when it came to my wax. And I'm like, let's get into the laser. You know, your girl got a laser. I'm trying to not see any hair on my freaking body no more. Okay, I'm over this. Of course, I had to hit them legs, and I didn't have to shoot that because I don't think anybody wants to see me shave my legs in the shower. Yeah, we're on OnlyFans. This is YouTube. OnlyFans, link in bio. This is literally a hair removal vlog. Like, I'm taking all the hair that I don't want on my body off. So next is the eyebrows. So let's get into it. You guys, I have to get my unibrow. I'm not Yari Shahidi. I can't embrace that. That has to go. Definitely gotta shave that off. And basically, I'm just gonna match my natural, like, arch in my eyebrow. I'm just, you know, cleaning it up, not doing too much. Just, you know, basically getting the shape right. And I think I do a good job. I do my eyebrows all the time. And y'all never clock me. So therefore, I think I do it really well. And I do it to my other eyebrow because you can't go around looking like one eyebrow clean and one eyebrow looking like Bubba Wolf. So that's what I do. I do the other one. And I follow it up with some toner. I don't think you understand how many times I've tried to film this lash video. I've done this at least 10 times, and it's always been something wrong with the clip or the volume or the something wrong. So I'm just going to call it like a curse on me trying to teach you guys how I do my lashes because every time I do it. But this is like a TikTok trend that I found out, and I just tweaked it and made it my own. So, you know, it's how the girlies do it on TikTok, but, you know, AshaKosh style. I just measure my lash to my actual lash bag. I cut the excess off from the front, and then I cut my lashes in 3 parts from the strip. After that, I put the mascara, the bond, on my lash. After that, I add the lashes to my actual lashes using hair glue. I always like to add the hair glue to the top of the band so it can adhere to my lash better since I'm putting it under my lashes and not over my lashes. Hopefully that makes more sense. And I just add them one by one to my lash underneath. And I just pinch to seal it. And then I also have the sealant on the mascara that I add to make it last longer. And then once I am finished putting them on, I clasp them together with my finger. I push them together with my finger. And then I add the overnighter. I don't know what it is, but it's overnighter. And I put it under. It came with the mascara kit. And I put it under my lash. And I pinch it again some more, and that is how I do my lashes, and I think they come out so pretty. Now it's time to do my Press-ons, I love to use press-ons, and today, instead of using like basic press-ons, I used these fancy looking ones that I thought were so fun, and especially fun for summer. And then they were small because I don't like to wear any long nails since I had the baby. And I put them on and they look so good. And yes, that's the end of my maintenance vlog. Thank you guys for joining me for today's video. I love you guys and have a great day. AK.